so extra, but I know I'm the same.
Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl Krystle, and today's video is brought to you by Luvme Hair. We have a cute 12-inch unit that I want to share with you guys. We're going to go ahead and unbox her, install her, and I'm going to show you a few different styles. Tension band. I love that they are putting this in the wig boxes. A rat tail comb. Dude, look, they even sent a label maker, sort of say, to like put the name of your unit and then label it. I love that. The wig caps and a user guide. Okay, just a few specs about this unit. This is a 12-inch kinky curly with the kinky edges unit. Y'all, you're gonna get the combs all around, the adjustable straps, and that elastic band, which is going to make the wig installation so seamless and easy. This is beginner friendly, it is big head friendly. This wig is ready to go, and I love the quality of the unit. It's also priced perfectly, and y'all, I'm gonna show you some cute styles that you can do with this one wig towards the end of the video. This is such a cute look.
But when we get back, it's like, oh my, all bad all day, but the night time, get that good till we act right. So tell me what we on the day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave, tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go on.
Okay, just a few pros and cons, and then we're gonna wrap it up. I'm gonna show you guys a few different styles that you can do with this one wig. I did run into some shedding with this unit that was a little bit more than what I'm used to when I'm installing these kinky curly units. That was the only con that I experienced while installing this unit. Other than that, right into the pros, the hair is super soft. I love the highlighted pieces or the little gold pieces in this unit. It just brings out a lot of character. Since the unit is pre-bleached and pre-plucked, I did not have to do much customization, which really makes this unit ready to go, beginner friendly, and it can fit all head sizes because you have the adjustable strap with the elastic band so you can wear it glueless. It does not get any easier than this. I will put all the details of this unit down in the description box. Please make sure that you are subscribed before you go. And of course, if you love today's video, be sure to hit that like button. And y'all talk to me down in the comments. Y'all, let me know what you're doing. Let me know if you're loving it. And I'll see you guys in the next video.
Told you so extra, but I know I'm the same. Yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead.